In today's video, we are going to see one of the most commonly asked interview question, that is creating the star rating component. So this question is common in Amazon and Meta phone screening rounds. Let's see the functionality. So we have the 5 stars. On hover, we need to highlight these stars. So if you are highlighting the third star, we need to highlight all the previous stars. Okay. Then when you click on this particular star, we need to select the rating. Let's see how actually we can code this component. This is our star rating component. Let's start by creating one container. Let's name it as rating container. So the next main part is actually creating the stars. So creating the stars, there are multiple ways to do. So one of the most commonly followed method is using some font or some icons or some other images. So for this video, we will use HTML Unicodes to create that stars. So let's create this function stars. So we need 5 stars. So let's create one simple for loop. Then 5. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to push div saying that we are going to have one so we'll give one key. So giving key is mandatory if we are using loops and we are creating the components. Next, we can give one class name star. So return stars. So now we are going to under these stars. Okay. So we got these basic stars. So let's add some CSS. Star font size 60 pixel cursor pointer. Okay. So now we will align these stars in an horizontal way. So rating container display flux. Okay. So now we have these stars. So now on hover, we want to highlight these stars. Star hover color gold. So now on hover, we are highlighting the stars. If you notice, only on the star we are hovering, right? Only that color is actually changing to gold. We want to highlight all the previous stars, right? So one way of highlighting the previous elements is actually using on hover effect. On hover, we can add some class names and we can highlight the stars. But there is one more simpler way. Actually, we can use star hash selector. So basically, what hash selector will do, right? We can with using hash selector, we can select the previous siblings. So what we can do, star hover. So now, if you see, so basically the star hover is actually whatever star we are hovering, that one will get highlighted. The next one is on hover. If the previous element has star, then all the previous siblings will get selected. Okay. So now let's add the functionality of actually selecting these ratings, right? So for that, we use state value or rating and set rating. Use state So the default rating will be 0. So we'll have one function handle click. So the handle click, we pass the rating and we will update the rating with the selected one. On click, we need to pass the index. So our index actually starts from 0. We need to set the rating as, say, if you are clicking on the first one, we need to pass the rating as 1. So we'll pass I plus 1. Okay. So now our ratings will get stored, but we want to use that rating to highlight our component. So for that, say if our rating is 3, we want to highlight all the 3 stars, right? So for that, what we can do, let is active. So we are checking if rating is greater than equal to I plus 1. So if it is active, then we are going to add one class. Active, we are going to add active class. Then, so here also we are going to add this active. Okay. So basically on click, we are updating the rating with that rating. So if the rating is lesser, then actually we are highlighting this one. So now see, okay, so now the selected rating color we need to change. So star, it will be star active, color will be gold. Okay, so now if you click, then the particular star rating will get applied. Then all the elements will be active. Thank you guys.